started to getting cold now, and yeah, so on this day, on this day na sad ko kini man gud akong pag-umangkon. My niece Nat she messaged me in my messenger and she says, Tita, oh my god, look at that. Oy, okay, all right, there you go. Oh my god. Stay there, okay? I know it's really cold now, but asan mo ko nagtabian eh? Asan to siya? Where are you? There you are. So I know it's really cold now, but hope you can still manage, yeah? I got the garage. You can stay there if you want. Okay? Oh my god. on this day kay Nat tanawa Nat akong on this day. Nat kaka. Oh my god. A lovely kaka. Spider. Stay there. So, okay. Saan naman akong on this day? Yeah, on this day. So, I'm planning to color this again. I painted this brown and then I need to color it again. So, brown yung effect. Wapa ginangahuman. Ingani ko, magka-pending-pending gini akong feelings. Magka-pending-pending di din ako mahimo. Oh my god, I need to fix this. Butang nga din ako glugan. Okay, I'll just put this way. And, yeah. How are you? My roses? Ooh, they started to sprout. You 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Please, pamuwak yun mo ha. Okay, matugnaw ra ba? Bisang pang last na lang nis na po nga end of summer, no? The official autumn na ba? Or officially autumn na ba? I don't know. Hinihin na siya ng gawas. Oh my god, please. Nisaka na siya. Nisaka. Taro na buang nagiguan ng tanong. Look at that, diba? Nisaka na siya. Okay, again, muna ako ang this you everyday, no? I'll start from the bottom. And then I run there. Here. I do it this way. Look. And then I run through here. Then, sunod na ako siya. Saka siya. Saka. Sige, the twigs that I made. Oh my god. Look at that. Nasakit siya. Alam kong kalipay. Gusto lang ako masaka siya up to here. Up to here, up to there, and everywhere. Alalipayan ako eh. Limpayan ako. Salamat yun, Lord. Mo diyang gi-complete akong summer. Gi-complete to sa Ginoo ang akong summer, guys. Honestly, murag ni akong pangandoy. Pero kaya kung kita mo ani, ako pa na siyang tupihan. Sunod na lang ka ng mga wana ang mga kutaw dahon. Pag mahon ako siya, akong tupihan din. Murag payong ba? Nagsungay mo. Katong tantangon. At chop it and then I form it that way. Kanang mag-ana na bitaw siya. Right? Ano ba? Look at that. Diba? Nice ka siya. Love it. Then, tabunan siya sa mga kuan flowers. No? But, we never knew. Mabuti ni siya. Mudagan gida yung flowers. Na manggawa sa mga climbers. Beautiful. Then, kuan pa gida ako mga roses. My September. Kalami.